Welcome back. Veli Gram Sabha on Sunday has resolved to petition the Chief Minister on the Veli Church raid issue of 2012. The Panchayat will ask CM to set up an investigating team and close the matter at the earliest. Locals at the Gram Sabha complain that they are going through hardships, especially during CID clearances for passport purpose and police clearances for government jobs.
स्टार्ट झाले अननेसेसरी एकू चर्च म्हणली ऑल गोवासान इनकम टॅक्स रेट मारपाचो हिस्ट्री भितर आनी केन्ना रेट जाले इनकम टॅक्स व्हॉट दे गॉट इन दॅट रेट रेडी कित मेळ्ळें तांकां कित्याक लागून हे जाले हे लोकांक कळपाक जाय हो इशू कित्याक स्टार्ट जालो कोणी स्टार्ट केलें हे लोकांक सारकें डिटेल कळपाक जाय तेच बरोबर आमचे भुरगे सगळे इनोसंट आहाय ते सगळे भायर सरपाक जाय कोणा तरी कांय एक्शन घेवपाक जावपाक ना कित्याक कोणा कोण आपोवपाक गेलो नासलो बिकॉज इट वॉज अ रिलिजियस इशू सगळे एकठांय जालो थिंगा and not of only one religion. Some religion nothing लोग आमलो. Because this was a religious attack. ये जे कॉज किती असते पहिली सोडून काढे आणि आमच्या लोकांक भुरगे सगळे फ्री करे.
Lost his job because of this. Police clearance was not given to him. Besides that, I have seen many boys once they apply for the passport, they are with the fear of harassment. Some are really this getting this going to the CID. And it has happened earlier. Once they went to this, you are from Veli, you were there that day, like that question.
So it is better to resolve at the earliest. For that, we body strongly support this cause and ask the Chief Minister and the authorities to make an investigation team and resolve the matter at the earliest.
Case was registered against Father Romano Gonçalves, former parish priest of Veli. 6 others that include members of church committee and 1,500 unidentified people for alleged attempt to murder 5 policemen booked by the Goa police on February 25, 2012. Samir Bhatt for Prudent.
When there is a will, there is a way. This may be just a phrase for some, but for some this is a motivating quote. Arvind Padiyar has also accepted the same motivating factor. Arvind, who was badly affected after mining ban, is now active in dairy farming and has done it successfully. Here is a success story of Arvind Padiyar.
The mining in the state is closed for past almost 14 months. While some mining dependents solely await the government's compensatory packages, there are some who find the alternatives, that too successfully. This is a story of Arvind Padiyar. He is a resident of Kepe Mina. Arvind is also among one of the mining dependents and ban affected. But after mining ban, he did not give up. He utilized the land he possessed. Now busy in a full-fledged dairy farming.
Miguelo agriculture जो इंटरेस्ट आशिल्लो तो केन्नाय कमी जावपाक दिना. ताजे बरोबरच हांवें मायनिंगाक भितर ट्रक घेतले. मायनिंग चलूं न चलूं पूण एग्रीकल्चर हातूंत भितर हांव केन्नाच भायर सरचो ना. जी जमीन आसा ताजी पुरेपूर यूज करपाचो हें पयलीं सावन थारायिल्लें म्हणून हांव ह्या डेअरी बिजनेस चालू करपाचो मायनिंग बंद जातकीर सुद्दां करपाचो हांवें डिसिजन घेतलें. आणि सरासरी हांवें नोव्हेंबर 2012 हांवें बिजनेस चालू केलो. पयलीं हांवें 10 गाय हाडल्यो, त्यानंतर 15 गाय हाडल्यो आनी आज म्हज्या गोट्यांक 20 गाय आसात. आज आमी सरासरी 200-250 लिटर दूद सोसायटी घालताले आनी हाजे मुखार ताज्या चड घालपाचें आमचें उद्दिश्ट आसा.
His trucks were in mining transportation, but now he is using the same for dairy business. He has a message for mining dependents.
आज म्हाका ह्या मायनिंग बंद जालें म्हणून म्हाका तितलो त्रास जालो ना. हांव आज उबो रावलां ह्या एग्रीकल्चर आशिल्ल्यान ही डेअरी डेव्हलपमेंट आशिल्ल्यान. म्हणून म्हज्या लोकांक इतलें म्हणणी की तांणी जांचे कडेन जमीन आहा आतां जांचे कडेन जमीन ना कांय ना तांकां खंयचो जाल्यार अल्टरनेटीव धंदो करचोच पडटलो. पूण जांचे कडेन भाटां बेसां आसात, जांचे कडेन शेतां आसात तांणी ह्याच हाचा डेअरी डेव्हलपमेंट किंवा एग्रीकल्चराक पयली प्रायोरिटी दिवची.
This is one of the success stories in the mining belt. Arvind has put all his efforts to grow his dairy business. He concentrates fully on agriculture now. being the sole source of bread and butter. Gaurang Malkarnikar for Prudent.
Developmental works in Salcete have commenced. South Goa MP Francisco Sardinha inaugurated CCTVs at 32 places in Margao. An ambulance was also given to Providoria Old Age Home. Premises at Monte Hill Church has been renovated with provision of footsteps and benches. All the developmental works are undertaken under the MP LED funds.
CCTV दिवन सगळ्यो जे लोकेशन ज्यो आसा त्यो कम्प्युटरायज जाल्ल्यो आसा आनी आतां आमचे अध्यक्षान सांगले भशेन जायत्यो अनडिटेक्टेड क्रायम्स जावं मार्गाचे जावं दुसरे कडेन ह्यो जावं हे जे लॉ ब्रेकर्स जे आसात ते खुश मारतात हे आतां धरपाक जाय आनी हे कारणाक लागून हे आमी इतले पयशे मोडून आयज ही CCTV फुटेज तुमकां दिल्ली आसा आनी सावथाक आनी हूंय ओल्ड एज होम आहाय पळय तांकां केन्ना म्हणटा हूंय व्हरपाक जाय तांकां कोली व्हरपाक जाय मातशें पासेक आनी हूंय येयलें तांकां वेहिकल ना सो आय टोल्ड देम हांव तुमकां वेहिकल दितां हें जाणटेल्यां पासून आनी आयज तुमी पळयल्यार हें आमी इस्काद्यो परत्यो केल्ल्यो आसात हिंगा बांक घाल्यात आनीक जाय जाल्यार घालतलो की लोकांच्या सायन्साचें येवन हिंगा बसपाक जाता बरें वारें सगल्याक नितळ वारें घेवपाक जाता दोनूय वदां लोक आसात आनी हे भशेन एक मडगांवकारांक जे हिंग बोगलेचे आसात तांकां सुवात नासलोली बसपाक हिंगेन तांच्यान धाकली भुरग्यांक घेवन हिंगा सोडपाक जाता भंय कसली ना हेकाच लागून आयज ही दुसरी वोस मडगांव शारांत.
And with this, we come to an end of the news bulletin. Keep watching Prudent. Goodbye.
तुम्ही पळयतात Prudent. You're watching Prudent.